Info at Hand users are most familiar with this screen. This is the front page of the Customer Relationship and Business Management System, where your business's employees collaborate to manage the information of your organization. But there is another side to Info at Hand. It is, after all, a customer relationship and business management system, and therefore has to address the needs of both your customers as well as your employees. To address those customer needs, we have the Info at Hand Customer Portal and eStore, as you see here. And if I come here, enter the username, password, and click on the Login button, you can see that the user authenticates, and the view changes from just a few menu options to the complete set of Customer Portal menu options that we'll go through in just a moment. First, let's have a look at what the unregistered user sees at the Info at Hand Customer Portal. We're looking now at the home page of the Customer Portal, but you can click here to see the public website of the business whose Customer Portal that was. You can click here to see various contact information for that business. This is editable within the Joomla system. You can request that somebody at that business send you some information. Just fill in the form and click on Submit. Or you can proactively ask that you yourself be registered at this Customer Portal so that you can get login information. This will result in you getting a confirmation email so that the system knows you've provided a valid email. Having looked at all the features that customers can access when they're not logged in, now let's proceed to look at what they can access when they are logged in. Once we enter our username and password and click on the Login button, we see the extended user menu for the Info at Hand Customer Portal, including the eStore shopping options towards the bottom left of your screen. We see the home, public website, contact us menu items as before. We also see request information, but if we click here, we notice that now it's a much simpler form because the contact information for the person logged in is now known, not required. We can now click here to change our password, as we're known to be an existing user. We can click here to change the contact information that we have on record within the CRM. And here you start to see some of the synergy between the customer-facing site and the employee-facing site. We can look at frequently asked questions, a shared knowledge base from within the CRM. Each individual knowledge base article can be flagged as to whether it should be shown here in the Customer Portal or not. We have a customer forum where customers can exchange views and information. We can look at service cases. We can create them here as a customer and then come back later on in the middle of the night if we like to see their current status. And we can receive email updates when the case changes its status. Notice here the customer can upload binary files and notes to attach to the case. Same sort of functions here for software bugs. There's also project collaboration in the system where customers can view shared documents, upload new shared documents, and so on. See the contact information for employees assigned to the projects and so on. Here we see the ability to look at the latest customer quotations that have been generated for them. And similarly here, we can look at our recent invoice history and also look at allocated payments and see what the accumulated customer balance is at that time and so on. This should help reduce what I like to call dueling accounting clerks between the two businesses. You can look at marketing events that are upcoming. Now let's proceed to the customer eStore, which is really quite exciting. Here we see a a range of products within a computer equipment category. We could move to office equipment, photographic equipment, list all of the products in the store, perform a specific search on products within the store. If we cursor down here, we can see what's on the rest of the menu system here. If we pick a particular item, like say this nice Canon digital camera, we can look at more information on that item. We can click to see a full-size image on that item. Just get that within the window for you. And then we could add it to the cart. Once we have it to the cart, we could proceed to check out. And so on. This is a very quick overview of the entire customer portal and eStore system, but I hope you've seen enough to make you want to learn more about it by reading the documentation or taking a more in-depth demonstration with our staff. Thank you.